Hey everyone, it's Elizabeth here from Our Darling Memories, and today I'm bringing you a really short process video for the Ali Edwards Type Story Kit. So as you can see, I have my photo and my journaling already printed out. The photo is sized to about 4 by 8, and then the journaling is about 2 by 8, with a bunch of space so that I could add those chipboard alphas to spell INFP, which is my Myers-Briggs personality type, which I will talk more about in a second. But pretty much this layout is going to be very, very simple. I'm going to be adding that photo to the edge of my journaling, and as you can see, I have a digital story stamp, which is also from the Type Story Kit, that says My Type, that I added down there at the bottom. And I'm also going to be adding this piece of cardstock from the One Canoe 2 Hazelwood collection. That paper is called Forestberry. I'm just going to be adding that little piece of pink gradient in between my photo and my journaling, just to give it a little bit of added color and a little bit more interest to the page. So as you can see, I'm just cutting down my journaling, and I'm going to be adhering that strip of cardstock pretty much right in between my journaling and where my photo is going to go. And I really thought that was fun that the gradient on that paper pretty much matched exactly with the colors that I was using on this layout, especially the color of the alphas. Those alphas were a add-on for the Type Story Kit this month. And of course, I love all of Ali's chipboard alphas, so I had to snatch those up. I think the original ones were gray, but since I was talking about myself and I really wanted to be kind of girly and everything, I decided to go with the pink alpha set. And once I have my photo and my cardstock and all my journaling all set up, I'm going to adhere those chipboard alphas. And I had a little bit of trouble getting them to stick, so I'm going to use my Martha Stewart glue pen to adhere those onto my page. And I also printed out one of the cards that came with the Type Story Kit that said me on there, with kind of like the same type and the same colors as appeared throughout the kit. So I'm going to punch that word out with I believe that's a 2-inch or maybe a 1.5 inch, I'm not sure what size that is, but a circle punch. And then I'm just going to add that as a really simple embellishment at the top of the page. So as I said, this is a really simple layout, all about my personality type, which is INFP, and I've always been someone who's been really interested in personality and personality types, so I'm excited to document this in my story album. I don't think I've ever told a story specifically about my personality type or anything like that, so this was a fun way of using the Type Story Kit to document a little piece of myself that I probably wouldn't have otherwise. So I hope you enjoyed this really quick process, and if you have any questions, please share them down below. And if you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel if you'd like to see more. I post process videos for my project life, my story albums, and a lot of other projects that I have going on. So thanks so much for watching, and have a great day.